Alrighty, here it is. This is the AnyFit nylon strap unboxing and review. Just got this one yesterday. So a little backstory on these nylon straps. I already have one. I liked it so much that I bought another. Like I said, I bought another one. These are about $10 on Amazon. I'll put a link below so you guys can check them out. $10. The quality is very, very, very good. They're very well built. I couldn't be happy with her. I couldn't be happier with them. I actually took this one on a trip to Chicago recently. I'll put some footage of that watch right now. But yeah, I was just really happy with the product that I got here. That little backstory on this Timex expedition that my father-in-law gave me. He was actually at a yard sale. He knows I like watches, and he purchased it for me, which I highly appreciate. You know, he was thinking of me while he was out and about. Just want to say thanks to the old man. So here it is. I bought a brown one for my expedition. There's that. Here's the other bag for the last one I bought. This is how it comes packaged. As you can see there, this is a thick, nice nylon strap. If you want the NATO look without the thickness of a NATO, this is why I bought these. Very good buckle. Look at that, it gives me like Panerai vibes. And it comes with these awesome pins, so you don't need a tool to set them. I mean, they feel great. Like, if you're looking for that NATO look without the NATO thickness, this is definitely what you want. That's why I bought it, because the NATO strap on my Seiko was just a little too thick for me. Let's go ahead and put it on. Let me see, there it goes. There goes click number 1. I do gotta mention this is a 20 millimeter. I forgot to mention that, but this one is 20 millimeters. I can get it in there. Come on, strap. There you are. Nice, there it is. Look at that. The green and the brown. It looks great. That's the look I was going for on this polished case. Oh yeah. Let me get this out of the way. I love that right there. So this is a 20 millimeter and this is a 22 millimeter. So you can kind of differentiate the difference. Oh, it's actually not that bad. You can see there's a little bit of overlap on the 22 and on the 20. That's it right there. Gonna do some wrist shots real quick. Give me 1 second. So there you have it, guys. Thank you very much for watching. Like and subscribe. Peace till next time.